pull up dans ces refresh sous moi, yo côté tête qu'on est marché cabocor. Mettez sous moi, on va me prendre la rue, attaque un petit qu'on est ou même capantor. Moi qui n'ai pas pour moi, gotta have that bag, cabadi dans mes tas. Fait qu'on doit être sous moi, faut qu'on t'a sous mon soldat, y'a mes vies ou l'état.
Depuis moi, l'eau garantie pour mouiller, tant qu'on la pluie tape tomber. Depuis moi, m'a script, toujours des manches, ça veut dire moi des capiers. Tout comme yo apply pressure, et nous fait mort pour plaisir. Et pas qu'un trip nous perd, get the stream pressure.
Là je nous capte toute façon, matin midi soir capé pour nos rançons. Depuis ton mourir mon poison, passe puis devant pour moi ma fini bro. Extra pressure, gotta get close to that money, gotta have that back. Gotta have swag when you call, when I pull up gotta have that. Là je nous capte toute façon, matin midi soir capé pour nos rançons. Depuis ton mourir mon poison, passe puis devant pour moi ma fini bro. Extra pressure, gotta get close to that money, gotta have that back. Gotta have swag when you call, when I pull up gotta have that.
Drip swag all over this one, right? Yeah. It's everywhere, right?
Told these niggas like, yeah, I be everywhere. You niggas be styling, y'all know y'all ain't never there, yeah. I ain't never scared, watch me bone crushing niggas. Put the choppers in the head, yeah. I be everywhere. You niggas be styling, y'all know y'all ain't never there. Scared, watch me bone.
Put the fuck up.
Yo, what the fuck, son?
Oh, là, quand on soit là, fait.
Yo,
Fuck you, thought, nigga. You thought you was gonna get
what
away
the
with this
fuck,
shit,
boy?
son?
What the fuck? I didn't say
C'est où,
fuck,
nigga?
nigga.
Qu'est-ce qu'on aime boire? Ou bien, il n'a pas.
Yo,
Talk, nigga.
e pa pou yon fwa an fè di la, son.
And?
Yo, Tony, sa mba zon lan ou vle kouem ou kouem,
Nigga,
son.
talk
Mba vle
fast,
kouem,
nigga.
man, nigga, listen.
Talk fast,
Yo.
nigga. Paddy.
At the end of the day, it is what it is, son. Yo.
It is
listen,
what it is.
Yo.
Oh, now you playing with me, bro?
Nah, nigga, I'm
You
trying to
You
explain
playing my
myself,
shit
son.
right now,
Yo,
bro.
I'm trying to explain
Talk,
myself,
nigga.
son.
Alright, go ahead, do that
Alright,
shit
yo,
right now,
listen,
bro.
yo, calm down, bro. Calm down, bro.
I'm calm, nigga. I would blow your shit right now, bro. Talk.
Yo, listen. Yo, Haïtien, mais nous toujours fait ça depuis longtemps, mais il va qu'on a fait ça avant.
But I think that's the last time too. So you better
It is what
talk
it is,
fast,
son.
man.
Yo, listen.
Yo,
Mba fè moral, son.
Moral
Because,
because
yo, nigga gade koto men, yo, kote mba men mkone, like, mba men fon, son. Mba men fon, son.
Mba fè?
No, nigga, yo.
10 minutes apre m fin bon bagay.
Yo, nigga.
Tenet pull up. Who the fuck know I was there?
Nigga, ki yon fè konen? Yo, tade fè, yo. E fè mouye fè, wè m toujwa fè di la vò depi longtemps, men. Yo, son, jom ap djoulan, son. Yo, mba konen sa ka pase yo, son. Mba konen de sa ka pase yo, son.
E mwen avò kon plas la. Nou pale 2 minutes apre, Denis pull up.
Yo, nigga, mba kon ki moun nou di, mba kon ki lò apè nan telefon, I don't know, bro.
Oh, yo, si moun koun ya la.
Yo, ki so vlem djou? Yo, ki so vlem djou, son? Ki so vlem djou, son?
That you did that shit, nigga. Come with some good reasons, son.
I didn't do that shit, bro. I didn't do it.
Then who did it?
Nigga, listen,
So you
I don't
knew
know.
something behind it?
I don't know, you find out, bro. You find out. Find out yourself, son.
Fuck up, nigga.
Damn, Jam, this shit a vibe.
To be smoking while I'm fucking, she sucking while I'm nutting. If you want parents, then it's nothing. That gun is not on safety. I see your niggas inching, trigger fingers itching. I'm all about my business. You wasn't ready for the outcome, so niggas stop bitching. Shook your ass up, now you all up in your feelings. I'ma run up on your mans, I'ma tell them that you snitching. I'ma pull up with them souls, and you know how they go. Put that rope around your throat, let my mans try to boat. Feed your ass to the shark, treat them to some Lunchables. I'm the hood doctor, baby, cause you know I up the dose. I only let you suck my dick, you don't gotta do the most. No hands, baby girl, you know I like it when you choke. Now you can't spend the night cause I ain't sheltering no hoe. Y'all up pack the shit up, bitch, it's time to go. Who was outside with the ass adios? See, I be on my demon shit. When I'm through with that side, you won't even know it's G and shit. I be so discreet, you motherfucker.
my brother. Aqui lá azul.
C'est bon?
Ficava lá, só que animação azul.
She blowing my shit.
What? Essay?
Yeah, 15 pages.
15 pages?
Yeah, I'm about to get Brittany help me with that shit.
Oh, Brittany?
Yeah.
She's sick today, bro.
She sick?
She can't come to school.
That's why I haven't been seeing her.
Exactly, bro. Like, you get there like a thelemaque, des protèges contre te faire mal. Stuff like this, bro. Even me too, bro. I don't even think I'm about to come with no more, bro. I want to do this music stuff, bro.
What? I've been telling you about my guy Nutron.
Nutron? You been saying that, boy. You never take me nowhere. All you do is talk about
It's
him,
not
right?
that, though, but you gotta show me that you want it. Come on.
I leave music, bro. I'm passionate. School ain't doing nothing for me.
I ain't doing shit for me. I'm about to drop out too.
Shit, exactly. What we doing, bro?
I'm bringing Nutron right now, so let's go.
Right now?
Right now.
Let me put these back, bro. Put that in my bag. We out, bro. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing in here. For real.
Yo. What's good, my nigga? Yo, son, just come up, huh? I've been left the door open.
What? Drug deals and criminals. They go together like cookies and...
Gotta be honest, I'm not a fan of big pharma, especially back alley big pharma.
Upstairs, bro. Top mashman.
You tired?
Oh. Aí se você me largar o 10 fois, bah. Passe mesmo. É de quoi, hein?
That's how you can stay in shape, my nigga.
Aquela lá, como eu te de dormir. Achei muito grande.
That nigga was great. And yo, look, try it. Bro, you just try the missions, bro. This shit heavy. I ain't gonna hold you. Bro, that bag had the beautiful scent. Man.
The business goes with
everything. Everything.
Y'a un qui est non? Bah, qu'est-ce que t'as petit bouger comme là, non?
Nah, Popo. Hey, this lady like 4-5 months, son. She gonna be she gonna be happy as hell. That's not my shit, bro. This ain't mine. I got the first gen, not this shit. Yeah, this ain't my shit.
You can track one side when you give away partner. Put that shit in.
That's old boy bag.
He probably did that shit, bro. He probably put
that
in
nigga.
there.
That nigga probably wanted to catch the other nigga. We gotta get rid of that shit now. That nigga track, bro. That nigga track. But silly track, man. Come on, son. Like he gonna know this where I lay at, bro. We gotta get rid of that shit.
Just relax. That
nigga bit. Motherfucker probably was on us already.
That's how we sneak you. Even watch us, you know. Mais ça n'a fait un beau canon pour 100, pour 60 et puis tout.
50-50, nigga. This nigga, you funny. You funny, son. Yo, boy, you know what? Let's keep these right here. You keep that right here. Here, nigga, hit the blunt, nigga. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Nigga, hit the blunt one time, nigga. Let's hit the blunt one time, nigga. Oh, we going to the mall?
Shit,
where we going? Where we going? What we doing? Are we going flossy or we keep the? Oh, we saving?
Yo, first why we invest in problem because we gotta make more money. We can't turn them back in the same situation.
Bro, son, like the moment this shit go again, nigga, we rob another nigga.
Nah, bro, we can't make that shit happen, bro. We ain't even ready to kill nobody. We should have done, nah, man. We not killing no blood.
No blood, no, but like, don't mean we can't rob niggas still.
Bro. Let's try them. Let's invest.
These niggas can't call the cops. Oh, I was robbed from doing what?
Come on.
Selling?
It's
bro,
not,
man, that's the cleanest shit ever.
It's not rob the wrong person next time. Let's think, bro. Not possible when we can invest comme là. Let's just think about it, you know, but just
you wise on that. Nah, man, I'm done with that, bro.
You know what I mean? But,
I'm done with that. So like, after my ex and shit, that shit is a dub.
But we gotta get rid of this shit, son. Let's hurry up and.
Mas não lá, bro.
Bon, ou dit
foi assim. Não, lá, outro lá, tudo de um tênis Gucci, a um set uma banda de salto, tudo that's it, man. Poser. Ouais, mon vidéo shoot cap venir, man.
I don't do Gucci shit.
Yeah,
we could get a camera with that shit. And your bitch ass was talking bad about me, right? Kako, yeah. Come on, son. I show you the little school project I had back in the day.
School projects are right tune up colori.
This nigga crazy, son. Bro, count this shit and let's get rid of that shit for real, bro. Right. Yo, fuck counting. Keep that, I keep this.
Keep that, I keep this, huh?
Alright, bro.
Let's do this shit, bro. Let's count this shit.
Spaghetti for you guys. Go change your clothes, and then the food will be ready in like a few minutes, okay? Okay. Love you. Hi, baby.
What's the spaghetti?
Ah, ma fille peut pas aller au boulot là, oui?
Bien passé.
Oui, oui.
Chérie, tu as mangé un petit ou s'il vous plaît, petit ou cas.
Ma fille, chérie, elle est ok.
Yeah, man. Oh, baby, quand on met une TV là.
Ah, tu t'es fort.
Mais ok, m'attends, chérie, m'attends. Maya, Marvin, je viens de papa. Oh yeah. Bien passé. Mais j'ai pour tout beau ça. Tu vas dire ça ça va pas moi non. Non que tu moi. Le problème nous va bien passer.
C'est dame mais moi je l'entendais.
Bon, Marvin achète à l'habitude parce que à l'aise.
Si nous comptons ça pour nous faire un vent, c'est prier avant de nous manger, pas vrai? Maya commence à prier pour moi. Let's go. Je nous compte prier. Amen. Thank you. Ketchup a plevé dans votre.
Si vous calme, pas comme moi, je vais
me chérie.
Non, mais je vais
pas mal pour.
Si vous calme. Chérie, je souhaite chaque lettre nous vient de l'école. Ou bon mon petit bail comme ça?
Oh, chérie, vous connaissez des voix ça. Et bien, si je ne pas faire, qu'est-ce qu'on fait? De maman vient manger ici, hein? Ah, pas pour te manger. Ça fait quoi, bébé?
Comment il te fait?
Ah, mais il faut manger. Et nous m'attendons. Mangez, chérie, mangez mon pain de goût. Bonne part.
Alors? Oh! Daddy, ma fini. Ma oublié, oui. Ça. Alright. C'est pas qu'est-ce même, chérie. Non. depuis mon saveur, je ne sais pas.
Mais corona, on va même faire une boîte pour jouer, mais c'est corona.
Guys, on vient qu'on y a.
Mais ma quête est où y'a meilleure façon. Faut la vie à qu'on meilleure façon. Boutique pour filer pour être là. Baby, baby, chérie, baby, ma belle, personne ne
Yo, Pi, ça vient là, ça. Dans le lot là, il est même bien content de le faire. Non, il pas rien, même si si tout ça passe, je pas de livre, même. Yeah, j'ai mal fait un job pour face. Fin by, monsieur marchandise, monsieur bon crop, c'est déplacé base, nous mange 2 minutes, dîner pour le bas, ça non, même cacoulou, yo, ma vie tout but man. Et puis, même avec d'autres départements, nous arrivons sur monsieur, nous prenons monsieur, nous arrivons à essayer de faire monsieur parler, but nous avons un petit confusion pour ça, monsieur a parlé, comme si moi, monsieur fait balan, parce que après 2 minutes, nous finissons par monsieur, on bagaille comme ça, puis donner pour l'autre. Pour moi-même, c'est monsieur qui fait, Jean-Michel parle encore, je ne vois pas l'autre petit aspect, il parle qui fait ça, par contre, ça, vous me fait même. But nous avons monsieur là, même, nous avons toute idée pour nous mettre monsieur up, but you got away, son. Bah on est qui do game, so faut nous pour nous parler plus bas. On va un show, non? Non, là quand on a un bal, bah une zone là. Il y a quelque chose de cap checker là. On est. On l'autre.
Arise Entertainment.
Shit! Step Bouton right here! So killer! Trip boy! Let me go! À la belle, mouvement rap créole ici ta belle. Si système promotion, t'as suspend bouche en macrel. À la LED, fait que Jacques animateur ta plaie. Joue ta goût levé comme.
Oh, there it is. My brother. What's going on?
Man, you know, shit's crazy.
Where you been? Kotote, comme ça?
Out corner, man. By yo, man.
Hold on, wait. What happened to your face?
Yo, man, I just got fucked up, son, by them niggas, by Chess and...
By who?
Chess, bro.
Hold on, wait.
Chess and his boy, son.
Relax, calm down, bro. On a géré ça. Alright, just calm down, man. Exactly, tell me what happened. Huh?
Yo, I put the tracker on the fucking thing, bro. Yo, par contre, ça passe, man, par contre, c'était quelqu'un qui t'a vu, nous. And then Chess, I think the niggas, I think he got robbed.
Wait. Chess? Come again?
Chess, yo, the même avec Neglio, par contre, c'était quelqu'un qui t'a vu, nous, t'a fait deal, man.
You mean Chess got robbed?
I think so. I don't know what happened. Shit, I don't know shit. I don't know.
Keep going.
Yo, pendant ma I can't man. And then she pull up some avec nigga. Yo, he pull up and pill nigga Azam. Yo, I got head. Them niggas like, yo, you see?
Wait. Tell me. No. Look, pas occupé. C'est petit frère mouillé.
Non.
Look, ou gen moun der occupé. Nous charger pour les bas. Ou voulez dire Chess? Prends chance. Il a attaqué.
Yeah.
Premièrement, il a attaqué petit frère. Deuxièmement, monsieur prend marchandise. L'argent c'est 100.
The nigga did, bro.
No, he didn't.
For real?
Okay. Alright. Relax. I got you. But one thing I need to know. You got nothing to do with this.
Nah, but why would I lie, son? Why would I lie, son?
Alright. One more thing. Nèg yo besoin guerre.
N'a fait guerre, n'a pas nèg yo guerre.
So ça m'ka dou men, nous pas besoin à l'hôpital. Mon petit femme qui nurse m'a pris de manger, m'a fait manger te qui connaît. Just keep it low.
I bet.
I got you, man.
I bet.
Alright,
that, bro. Good look, bro. I love you, dog.
Bro. Mon ek perdu kap Batistel. Chess prend chance pour attaquer. Ok. J'espère que commentaire moi monsieur qui est enchanté.
Yo, I'm fin font deal avec Chess avec Negri, man. Yo, c'est venu prendre sur la caméra, man. C'est venu, c'est kidnappé, c'est piné, man. Nèg pull up sur ma zam, man. Yo, I'm getting pull up shit, man. My temps aller zam for him, nèg bat moi, nèg avec mon côté, man. Yo, nèg bat mon corner, son. Yo, them niggas fuck me up, son. Really bad, bro. I ain't gonna hold you, son. Yo, but man say nèg m'a chercher là, son. Nèg bat moi, man. Yo, on est vivant. Nèg VM, nèg bat moi, nèg bat moi. Nèg pour affaire, pour call moi, my nigga. I lost almost every fucking thing, son. Yo, ça va finir comme ça, mais non, hell no.
Hey, Nutron, come here for a minute, man. I gotta talk to you for a minute, brother. I get the fuck out of here and man, but I'm kind of tired of dropping you here in the basement, man. I mean, what's going on, man?
Well, bro, man, one is c'est ça me gagne mon cher, man. So, what que man, nèg a dégagé, man. So, man, but on connaît que for sure, man, musique la propre quand même. Assez me fait rencontrer avec des petits artistes là, man. C'est nèg yo bon en pile, bro. Me believe in nèg yo, man, so, man. Je nèg yo rap, the way the flow, dope, man. We can make some serious money, man.
Yeah, but by music ça, on connaît at first c'est là me commencer tout. Quand I got him on là, c'est son détecteur qu'on y a. Ola out commencé dans academy but more vin quitter by academy
that shit ain't for me, bro.
I can understand that, but you know, by music star, man, you gotta focus. But you hanging out with these guys, man, and you're not focusing at all, man. And then
yo, that's why j'en dis these guys. C'est chaque jour pour vous, man, by side, man, like yo,
I appreciate that. I appreciate that, but you know, you've been doing this for a while now. I don't see anything yet. Anything on this bad. Bah, ain't got fait, you know.
Ah, mon cher frère, mais pas besoin de décourager, mon cher, mais tout bad net a fait. Trust me, everything gonna be alright. And I got you, man. You got my back. Alright, bro.
Alright, little bro. Alright, man. But even though it's a little boy, even though you that big, you know, I'm still. C'est tout le monde a toujours. Yeah, but I'm fine. I make you pick up your phone, man. I keep texting you. You barely pick up your phone, man. I be hiding my hands. Yeah, bro. Yeah.
My name is Buzzin'. The bitches love me. When they see me, they be on me. I'm hotter than a cup of tea. I stay suited with my Z's. They wind up like I'm MTV. We them niggas, they wanna be. Ever since I was a J, I was always hanging with OGs. That was back in the Vortex days and niggas wearing LRGs. Up in the basement with my uncles and some hitters.